So I want to begin the course with a hypothesis that perhaps what the course is about, human value, the course is ethics, it's about values or right or wrong, good or bad. I want to begin with the hypothesis that perhaps the course is a waste of time because perhaps right or wrong or good or bad or human morality or human values, whatever, uh, are simply made up. They're not real. They're simply subjective, not objective. Subjective meaning they're a matter of opinion or they're just a matter of preference rather than objectively out there, something that you can discover in a science. Because ethics purports to be a science, that is, a scientia, or a kind of knowledge, a non empirical kind, but nevertheless a kind of scientia. That is, ethics is this body of knowledge, of philosophical discipline that tries to uncover the objective foundations or objective rules to human behavior. But we're going to start with the premise or with the hypothesis that there isn't any. That we're going to start with the idea that ethics is a matter of opinion. This position, that ethics is a matter of opinion or that human morality is just made up, is known as relativism. Relativism. Relativism means simply values are relative to people. They're just a matter of opinion. Relativism is this idea that basically ethics is a waste of time, that ethics is just made up. Who's to say? Who's to say? You have your opinions, I have mine. We're going to start there because I think this is where most people begin to think about ethics. They decide to think about human morality and they begin to say, well, wait, isn't it all made up? Isn't it just societally constructed? Well, that position is known as relativism. Okay? Good or bad is just a matter of an opinion. Values are just a matter of opinion. Who's to say? No one's to say. This is the hypothesis we're going to begin with in the course. Okay? Ethics is the science that is objective science that purports to discover human morality. We're starting with the idea that perhaps there isn't any. That is, we're starting with the hypothesis of calling into question the very nature of ethics. And we're going to use a philosopher named Friedrich Nietzsche to do this.